What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a Pokemon fusion between Charizard and Blastoise. Let's get started on the left side of our page with the bridge of the nose. We're going to start on the outside, we're going to curve up and then bend that back down. Now we're going to move in and draw two short angled lines coming in for the nostrils. Now let's move over to the right side of the nose and draw in the eye. Starting right here, curve this up and then out. Go back to the inside, we're going to curl the brow, coming in and up. Let's go back to the inside, curl the lower lid, going up and then down. Now from the outside, step in, round up the side of the eye. Let's add the pupil on the left side of the eye, with a half oval coming down and then up. Now let's move over and draw in the left eye. Starting up here, curl this up and out. Go back to the inside, curl the brow, going up and in. Now tuck the left eye in underneath the brow. Starting from the outside, step in, curve down, and then in. And I'll draw that half oval for the pupil. Now I'm going to work our way around the outside of the head in towards the mouth. Starting underneath the eye, curve this out and then down. Curve the mouth coming down and in. Let's round out the top of the mouth, going up and then back down. And then I'll curl that around and point that up towards the eye. Now from here we're going to layer the chin in underneath. On the left side of the face, come down towards the chin, round this out, and just pull that up towards the right corner of the mouth. Now let's go back to the left side, curve the head going up and then in. Curve in and then down. Now we're going to make our way over towards the right ear. We're going to step in to create an overlap, curve up and then out, curve this out and then down. Let's draw on the right ear. And step back up, curve up and out, pull this down and then in towards the side of the head, and I'll round out the side of the head, coming down. And just tuck that in underneath the chin. Now I'm going to take that same ear and flip it over on the left side. From this point, step down, curve up and out, curve the ear coming down and back in. From the tip of the ear, let's step down, curve in and then down, and I'll trace out the right ear. From the tip, step down, come in and down, round out the bottom, curve this out and back up. Now from here we're going to draw the inside of the neck coming down towards the body. Starting from the side of the jaw, curve in and then down, and bump out the body, going out, come down towards the bottom, and just pull that across towards the right leg. Now from here we're going to tuck the left arm in behind the body. Let's start from the very top, we're going to draw a seam, going out, down and then back in. And then from the bottom, we'll step up, curve the arm going out and then down. Let's round out the arm and pull that back up. And I'm just going to tuck this back up in behind the body, going up and then in. Now I'm going to add in some claws. Starting from the inside, come in and down, taper that back up in behind the hand. And I'm going to go to the outside and curve in the opposite direction. Going out and down, pull that back in, leave a small gap and do that again. I'm going to add some lines across the arm. Starting from the inside, curve out and then up, go up and draw that one more time. Now before we close off the body, let's draw on the right arm. We'll line up the top over on the right. Start with the seam coming in and then back out. And from the bottom, we're going to bend the arm, going out and then down. Let's round up the end of the hand, pull that back up, and we'll make our way back up towards the top of the shoulder. Going up and then bending that in. Let's wrap a thick trim around the inside of the arm. From the top, step out, going up, come around the inside towards the bottom and just tuck that up underneath the arm. Now we're going to draw those same claws over on the right side. Let's start with the thumb. Coming in and down, taper that back up, and then go to the outside, curving the opposite direction. And then we'll add those lines inside the arm. Starting from the inside, curve up and out, step up and draw that again. Now with the arms in place, let's move up and close off the back of the head. Starting on the outside of the ear, curve the back going out, and then pull that down on top of the arm. Now I'm going to go back down and draw on the top of the right leg. Starting down here, curve this up, and then bend that out in behind the claw. Continue on the outside, just going to round out the leg, come down, and then in. Let's go to the inside of the leg, curve down, and then in, aiming towards the outside point. Now you want to tuck the foot in underneath the leg, starting from the inside, curve in and then down, go to the outside, and go in the opposite direction. Let's add in 3 sockets, starting from the inside, curve up and down, go to the outside, do the same thing, and we'll close off the center with another curve. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the first claw, going out and down, pull that up and in towards that inside point, and go in the opposite direction on the outside. And we'll add 1 more claw in the middle. Curve down and in, close off the right side. Now we're going to move over and draw the left leg tucked in underneath the body. Let's line up the top of the leg, curve out, and then pull that back in. Now I'm going to draw the inside of the leg. Underneath the body, draw a short angled line coming down and out, step back, curve the heel coming in and then down. Let's round out the bottom of the foot, curving down and then out. Now we're going to draw on the first claw. We're going to go up, bend this down towards the tip, curve in and up towards the bottom of the foot. Now we're going to layer 2 more claws in behind, starting from the very top, go up and then down, pull that back in, and then we'll do that 1 more time. Let's go to the top of the last claw, curve the foot, going up and in underneath the leg. Now we're also going to add 1 more claw on the back of the heel. Starting from this point, go down, bend that back up and in. Let's add that same across the body. Starting from the side of the jaw, we curve this out and then down in behind the arm. Let's go all the way down towards the bottom, curve this down and out on top of the leg. And then we'll add those seams across the body. Starting from the base of the neck, curve down and then up. I'm going to step up, curve up and out towards the top. Let's continue these lines coming down towards the bottom of the body. Starting back on the left, go down, and up, step down. Just repeat this all the way down towards the bottom. Let's continue the curve of the body underneath the arm. From here, curve down and then out. And then we'll work our way up towards the tip of the tail. Curving up and behind the claws, and then up towards the tip of the tail. Now we're going to bring the tail back in towards the side of the leg. Curving down and then bending that in. Now let's add that flame on the end of the tail. Starting from the inside, curve in and out, bend this back in, taper that back towards the inside. Now we work our way up towards the top, going up and out. Just going to swirl this around, going back up, come down and in. And we're going to add 1 more point, curving up and back in towards the outside of the tail. Now we want to place that large shell on the back with the wings tucked in. So start from the side of the neck, start by curving out and then down. Let's add a socket for the wing, curving down and up with a half circle. And then we'll continue this curve going around and then back in towards the side of the arm. Let's draw the inside edge of the wings. Starting from this point, curve out, pull that all the way up towards the tip of the wing, and move over on top of the neck, curving the opposite direction, curving out, and just bring that up towards the same height. Let's go back over towards the right, create a point, coming out and then down, and curve the wing going out and all the way down towards the end. Let's go back over towards the left, create that point along the top, curve the wing going out and then down in behind the head. Let's add that thick ridge around the outside of the wing. Starting from this point, just follow that same curve going all the way up towards the top, leaving a gap, and we'll just taper this out and then down towards the tip of the wing. Let's do the same thing on the left. Stepping out, just going to go in behind the ear, go up towards the top, and then just taper this out and then down in behind the head. Let's create that separation in the center of the wing. Starting from this point, curve out and then down towards the bottom, and then on the left side, curve out and down in behind the head. Let's connect these 2 points with a curve, going up and then down, and we'll curve this up and then down towards the base of the wing. And that's pretty much it. There's our fusion between Charizard and Blastoise. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.